my all in all. Seeking you as a precious jewel, Lord, to give up I'd be a fool. You're my all in all. Taking my sin, my flaws, my shame, rising again, I bless your name. You're my all in all. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I am dry, you fill my cup.
And today I am going to talk about something very important, climate change. You may have noticed that the summers are getting hotter, rains don't come on time, or sometimes the weather feels strange. That's because the earth is changing, and that change is called climate change. Climate change means the earth is getting warmer and the weather is behaving differently. This is happening because of the way people use the earth's resources. We are cutting down too many trees, using too many cars, machines that give out smoke, and creating too much waste. All
ಜನಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಸ ಎಸೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಹನಗಳಿಂದ, ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಗೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಹರಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹರಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ತಡೆಯೋರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಡೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವಾಗುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.